Amdax raises $23 million for Bitcoin Treasury. Europe's bold bid to rival MicroStrategy. Bitcoin Treasury. Dutch Amdax raises $23 million for Bitcoin Treasury targeting 1% of total BTC supply as Europe enters corporate accumulation race amid credit risk warnings. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. August 29, 2025. Dutch crypto service provider Amdax has secured €20 million, $23 million, in initial funding for its Amsterdam Bitcoin Treasury Strategy, AMBTS, planning to accumulate 1% of Bitcoin's total supply over time. AMBTS plans to complete its private funding round at €30 million, $34 million, before pursuing a public listing on Euronext Amsterdam. The company plans to leverage capital markets to grow Bitcoin per share while building toward the 210,000 BTC target, worth approximately $23 billion at current prices. Corporate Bitcoin holdings have exploded to 3.68 million tokens across 310 entities, valued at $408 billion. MicroStrategy leads with 632,457 BTC, followed by Mara Holdings at 50,639 BTC. Recent corporate entries include KindlyMD's $5 billion equity offering and the aggressive accumulation by Japanese firms. Additionally, the healthcare company KindlyMD filed a $5 billion at-the-market equity offering to fund its aggressive Bitcoin Treasury strategy, which at the time represented one of the largest corporate crypto accumulation programs. Europe enters Bitcoin Treasury race. Amdax established AMBTS as an independent company following its successful registration with the Dutch Central Bank in 2020. The firm became one of the first to receive approval under Europe's markets in crypto assets regulation framework, providing an easy and regulated entry point for institutional Bitcoin exposure. CEO Lucas Wenzing cited growing demand within Amdax's ecosystem for dedicated Bitcoin treasury services. The company believes Europe needs its own Bitcoin treasury giant to compete with US and Asian corporate adoption rates, in which institutional holdings have reached a large scale. However, amid this growth, corporate treasury strategies face mounting scrutiny. Morningstar DBRS analysts recently warned that crypto treasury functions heighten credit risks due to Bitcoin's volatility compared to traditional reserve assets. The concentration among top holders amplifies systemic exposure, with the top 20 public companies controlling 94% of corporate Bitcoin reserves. Bitcoin volatility measures are nearly 5 times higher than those of the S&P 500 in short-term periods and 4 times higher in the long term. This volatility fundamentally alters traditional treasury management roles, which are designed to maintain stability and ensure consistent operations. Additionally, regulatory uncertainty remains a pressing challenge, as there is no uniform global framework governing cryptocurrencies. Since the beginning of corporate Bitcoin accumulation, unusual stock movements ahead of these treasury announcements have been observed and are prompting scrutiny of insider trading. For instance, MEI Pharma stock nearly doubled before it announced a $100 million acquisition of Litecoin. Similarly, SharpLink's shares more than doubled 3 days before the company announced a $425 million Ethereum allocation. Warning signs flash as institutional momentum builds. Earlier this month, Centaur Research also warned that Bitcoin treasury strategies are negative carry trades, where companies borrow fiat to acquire non-yielding assets. Unlike traditional carry trades with positive yield cushions, Bitcoin strategies offer no yield protection during adverse conditions. Rising interest rates amplify negative carry effects, while Bitcoin's price stagnation over extended periods could erode conviction and make equity issuance dilutive. The research notes that no lender of last resort exists when Bitcoin carry trades break, making risks binary and reflexive. Companies that use aggressive financing mechanisms face a particular vulnerability. Mining firms often maintain razor-thin margins while holding 50 to 80% of Bitcoin assets, creating high liquidation risks during downturns when short-term cash needs emerge. While treasuries are actively accumulating, ETFs are also dominating the market. According to a Cryptonews report today, Bitcoin ETFs have captured 13.1% of total spot trading volume since the U.S. presidential election, generating $5 to $10 billion in daily activity that rivals that of major cryptocurrency exchanges. Ethereum ETFs experienced strong momentum, with $4 billion in net inflows in August, while Bitcoin ETFs recorded $800 million in net outflows. Investment advisors emerged as the largest identifiable ETF holders, controlling over $1.3 billion in Ether ETFs and $17 billion across Bitcoin ETFs. The institutional preference for Ethereum's rotation accelerated as corporate treasury activity expanded beyond Bitcoin. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Cardano and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Avalanche and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Why is crypto down today? August 29, 2025. BlackRock offloads millions in BTC after weekly buys, market manipulation, or routine rebalance. Trump to launch $40 billion WLFI token September 1. Ethereum news. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest buys $15.6 million BMNR bet on Tom Lee's ETH Treasury. 2 days ago, by Hassan. Altcoin news. Raoul Pal sees XRP poised for strong uptrend as full porting begins. 2 days ago, by Shalini Nagarajan. Press releases. XRP MasterCard officially launched. Gemini supports fine mining XRP contracts. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago, by Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 4 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 1 day ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.